Ready to bring a little sunshine into your kitchen? Our favorite summer kitchen decor tips will help you create a bright, breezy space you'll love all season long. This year, I will be using bees and strawberries with fresh colors, natural textures, and a hint of sunshine in every corner. Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy this video. All the stuff used is a combination from Hobby Lobby, Ross, Home Goods, and Burlington. I was excited when I found these cherries at Five Below. I saw it before long time ago in Ross for $15, so I gave it a touch of red paint to match with my decor. In this corner, I'm going to put the shopping mat that I DIY last year. In front of it, a tray that I purchased at TJ Maxx for $7.99. This bee vase is from Ross, and I put some roses and strawberries from Hobby Lobby. This card, I got it on sale for $5 at Home Goods. Just an apple and a salt and pepper strawberries. The strawberry vase, $4.99 at Burlington to put my oil bottles. What do you think of these two corners? I love them, but I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments. I want to do a DIY using an empty recycled can and a strawberry fabric that I purchased at Hobby Lobby for $2. I purchased more fake strawberries at Hobby Lobby, and what I want to do is to take out the peaches from the stems that I purchased last year at Dollar Tree and add the strawberries there. a red ribbon to this clear glass jar that I purchased in a thrift store. I just put the can with the stems inside this clear glass jar and voila! It looks awesome! This is an old two-tier tray that my neighbor threw away. In that time, I spray painted white and add some ribbons. Now, I'm going to decorate it using some small summer items from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, or Thrifted related to the theme. This is a simple corner with a new espresso coffee maker that my son gave me on Mother's Day. I add ground coffee to a red canister that I purchased in a thrift store, a spoon holder, and a set of mini coffee cup. Sipping into summer, here's my sunny coffee bar set up with touches of bees and strawberries. If you haven't seen that video, I will let the link in the box below. And absolutely, I will love to know, what do you think? I purchased more strawberries and a swang for 40% off at Hobby Lobby because I want to make a decoration in one corner of my cabinet. And look, it turns awesome! I love it! This this is how it looks when you come through the kitchen. So I have some picture frames, and that is the dining room that we upgrade here on my channel. So I will let the link so you can see how we do that bar over there. And this is how all the decorations looks together. Hope that you like it. So remember, a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share. Also, don't forget to watch for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.